or welcome to Shishu Mandir in Bangalore, a place where learning becomes opportunity and opportunity becomes hope. Since 1983, Shishu Mandir has been transforming young lives through free education and vocational training, giving students the chance to build a brighter future. And since 2014, through the Youth Education and Entrepreneurship program supported by the Schneider Electric Foundation, we've been helping students at Shishu Mandir develop confidence and technical skills to become electricians, innovators, entrepreneurs, and leaders in our communities. Today, we are joined by Dr. Anand, Director of Shishu Mandir. Dr. Anand, I'd like to start by asking, why is it so important to learn electrical and energy skills today?
That's a great question, because wanting to create impact is the first step, and understanding where to apply your skill is what brings that impact to life. Programs like this offer young people an entire learning path. When students gain skills in energy, electrification, and digital tools, they gain the power to solve real challenges. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hello.
we're here with Neha. I'd love to ask you, why do you think it's important for girls like you to learn electrical and energy skills today?
Many young people today want to make a real difference but don't always know where to start. It's been a long time where girls and women have been underrepresented in technical field, not because we lacked ability, but the opportunities were limited or the stereotypes held us back. I want to be a part of something meaningful in life and always wanted to grab opportunities in life.
Thank you, Sneha, and thank you, Mr. Anand, for joining us today and for helping us power progress for all.